Iron Talk is brought to you by Case IH.
With the success of the Case IH Steiger Quad Track and Magnum Road Track tractors, it's no secret why Case IH is the leader of the track. So it wasn't surprising when the competition started imitating us. Because Case IH offered the first 5-axle design to give you more power to the ground, with less berming and compaction, all to help you be more productive. Still, we're flattered. In fact, if we weren't already red, we'd be blushing.
Could one of the least fun jobs on the farm actually be a $100 per hour job in disguise? You've been asking for some help with spray tank cleanout? Here's some tips in today's Iron Talk. First, understand that each herbicide you spray may need a little different product to clean it out of the tank. So read the label and also ask your supplier what works best for the chemicals you're using. I'll give you an example with a specific product, Lautus. We're having trouble getting it out of the spray tank, but talking to one of the tech people for Bayer, they said, "Oh, have you tried bleach?" Well, bleach is actually very effective at getting it out of spray tanks, and we had found that ammonia and commercial tank cleaners were much less effective. The second thing to know is to clean out the tank as soon as you're done spraying so the product is still in the liquid form and easiest to rinse out. Third, after rinsing the tank once or twice, fill the tank up with water and commercial tank cleaner or whatever works best in the products needing cleaned out, and then charge the booms. Then let it sit overnight or all day and let that cleaner work. Rinse it all out when you're done and pay special attention to spray sumps, pumps, screens, and strainers. Also, make sure you check all the places that contamination can hang up, like around spray tips and out at the ends of spray booms. Finally, consider adding a compatibility agent at a low rate as you're mixing up some of the tougher to clean out crop protection products. We've seen them stay in solution much better, leading to less gunk to clean out later on. We've used a product called Convert, and we've been very satisfied. Yes, this is a little bit of work. The benefits are fantastic, though, and peace of mind as you're spraying out your next batch without fear of damaging your crop, well, that's priceless. No neighbors giving you a hard time about a field either with brown spots in it. It's easily a $100 per hour job. It's all for today's Iron Talk, and now back to the show.